Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: meter charged, strips unexpired, and lancets ready. Once done, wash and thoroughly dry your hands. Moisture skews results. Insert a test strip firmly into the AccuChek so the device powers on. Make sure the strip's contact area stays clean. If the meter shows an error, remove and reinsert the strip. You're initiating the measurement now, so keep supplies within reach and position the meter so the screen is visible. You'll now get a blood sample. Load a new lancet and set the depth based on finger thickness. Once primed, prick the side of your fingertip. The side yields less pain and more flow. Gently massage from base to tip to coax a rounded drop. Do not squeeze hard, which can dilute the sample with tissue fluid. When a proper drop forms, touch it to the strip's sample area and wait for the meter's confirmation beep. The device will then analyze the sample automatically. You finish by reading the glucose result on the screen and recording the value with time and any notes about meals or meds. Dispose of the lancet and test strip in a sharps or sealed container and wipe the meter's rim if blood touched it. If the meter displays an error or an implausible value, make sure the strip was fully inserted, the battery isn't low, and the blood droplet was adequate. Repeat the test with a fresh strip if needed to confirm accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.